have to keep and follow up with the program. Spragga, are you? Come, Papa.
Glory be unto the Father, to the Son, to the Holy One of creation, as Jah was in the beginning, is now, and never shall be, Jah will without end. Selah. Leonard, I'm my brother, you know. Yeah. Not by my mother's side or my father's side, but my brother, because I'm the only person who see me in a spot and volunteer himself if I come assist. I'm not have to talk about what the spot is, but I'm the only person who did see me in a spot and volunteer himself for come do the work for me. So, I miss our brethren. So I'm not going to stay too long, just ask what I say. Leonard, sleep with angels. May your spirit rest in peace, rest in eternal peace. And I hope that one day we all can meet and reason upon Glory Street. But sleep with angels, and may your every dream come true. I mean it, honest I do. Until my little heart stop beat, there will always be place for you. Can't believe, but me have to accept the fact, say that you're gone away and not coming back. Oh, why must life be like that? Why death commit such a terrible act? But then again, whatever the reasons or cause, we can't too question the works of the Lord. Because although the judgment might look so hard, eternal life might be the reward. So my friend, may your spirit rest in peace, rest in eternal peace. And I know that one day we all shall meet and reason upon Glory Street. But sleep with angels, and may your every dream come true. I mean it, honest I do. Until my little heart stop beat, there will always be place for you. Well, them say, the Lord give it and take it away. Nobody upon earth never come here to stay. Just like the cigarette in the ashtray. You live all your life, then you die one day. And life is a gift to both rich and poor. That is the only thing that is sure. So every man must go through that black door. So all of my friends who gone through before I sing. May your spirits rest in peace, rest in eternal peace. And I know that one day we all shall meet and reason upon Glory Street. But sleep with angels, may your every dream come true. I mean it, honest I do. Until my little heart start beat, there will always be place for you. And now the memories of the days gone by flash through my brain like the clear blue sky. Some make me happy, some make me want to cry. Oh, why you want to die? Living a big empty space that is so hard to fill, but we have to accept the Almighty will. So when I watch no face, we are carry on still. But we must meet again, my friend, so until then.
Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, man, I must say, Leonard Buckley was my brother in the music, you know. It was just love and joy when me and Leonard Buckley link, you know. All right, play the track, make us sing a song for her. Can't believe you're gone. No, 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 no. Can't believe you're gone. Gone away. Sad word to say. No, no. Life is a gift we have to cherish. We get eternal life. So how you will perish? That's just not nice. Last time we talk, we are going to get rich and live up to the fullness and have things that flourish. Right now I'm full stress, cause this was not a decision. Still hold my opinion. That's not where you belong. God alone can prove me wrong. This was not your decision. Still hold my opinion. That's not where you belong. Still I'm holding strong. Someday you don't have to go, but we never planned for this. Right now we sure you don't get to fulfill your promise. To live on earth forever is everyone's wish. Can't believe me, I feel carry your casket. Me still in a denial, say you're gone when your memory live on. No time to tell myself me I see you before dawn. All when them say you transform, and say a better place you gone. This was not your decision. Still hold my opinion. That's not where you belong. God alone can prove me wrong. This was not your decision. Still hold my opinion. That's not where you belong. Still I'm holding strong. Cause when them call, say you jump out, me have to say what kind of sad news this. Me have to bow and shout and say I must sleep, you asleep. Oh Lord, how you remember this? Me have to hang up and call back quick. It's like me head chip, can't believe, yo. Don't. This was not. God alone can. Still I'm holding strong. So this was not a decision. Still hold my opinion. That's not where you belong. Still I'm holding strong. You know you're going to a better place, brother. No. This was not a decision. Still hold my opinion. That's not where you belong. Still I'm holding strong. Oh Lord. Gone, you're gone. Gone, you're gone. Gone to a better place. Oh, hey, my brother Leonard. Gone, you're gone. You just gone before us still, you know? Yeah. And this was not the decision. Still hold my opinion. That's not where you belong. God alone can prove me wrong. This was not your deeds. Love you.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Mr. Lex, or Lexus, as somebody might know me. I'm not all at the time. But when Leonard, shout out to his family, Miss Echo, the whole entire family, everybody. When Leonard moved to Kingston, 1 Addington Avenue, Evandale, same yard me living now. Them time they mean a bus yet. And we can't. It hard to share the whole of the memories them, and we don't have enough time to share all of the memories them, but I want to add. I just want to say we couldn't make the day done without even sending my condolences to the family officially, because this brother has been such an inspiration. Like Super Black said, he helped so much youth. Wow. But we have to celebrate life, and once you wake up in the morning, you just have to celebrate and thank God. Is what I say. Every night me go on my bed, me have to pray. Thank the Father God for me say the other day, Him give me the health, Him give me the strength for me sing and DJ. We don't care when nobody want say. Sometimes I reason with myself, them must say things that be mad. But them don't know a reason where you reason with God. Reason like two good friends and make a chat. Hey, this is a Leonard favorite song. Have a new style where them call it fool. Where me say the style name again now, fool and shit. Everything. Yo, I can't do this. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This memory I'm about to share with you is the first time that I met MERCILESS out by Arrow Studio. In those days, he never changed his name to MERCILESS yet. His name was Sugar Demos. That was the first time that I met MERCILESS. And we share some good time as bridging together, because I was in Miami one time and there was his wife Smiley. She was having the show and they invited me to Texas to perform. So me and the DJ have a good history, you know. And it's so sad to stand here today to be at his funeral, but you don't know. Life is a journey, and they say we all have to go one day. So I guess it's just merciless time. So I'm just here and remembering this great youth, you know, Merciless. But I have a little verse for him, you know. Gone too soon, Merciless, you're gone too soon. You're gone too soon, but to Upper Zion, you're in a room. Merciless was a great little youth, but enough bad mind, I mean not tell no lie, are the truth. Yes, I am. Him gone too soon. Merciless, you're gone too soon. You're gone too soon, but you're Upper Zion, you're in a room. Yeah, man, and you don't know, Merciless was, to me, one of the most humblest human beings me ever come across. The youth was so humble. Me say me humble, but the way Merciless humble, for him humbleness, come like it more humble than me. You see me I deal it. Yes, I am. So you don't know, me have to send out enough respect to Merciless. Because you don't know, them youth there, me I consider him as the poor people governor. Because him help a lot of youth with him talent. Him do a lot of great works, and we can never forget him, Merciless. So, condolence to his family, friends, loved ones, and everybody, because you don't know, Merciless, we're not going to forget the youth in life. Yeah, man. And so before I leave, gone too soon, may Jah bless, guide, and protect you in your afterlife. You were a great person while you spent your life here on earth. May the angels protect you and your soul. May you dwell in Jah bosom forever and ever. Yeah, man, you don't know. Gone too soon. Merciless, you're gone too soon. You're gone too soon, but you're Upper Zion, you're in a room. Yeah, man, enough respect to families and loved ones of Merciless.
Good evening, everybody. I just want to say condolences to all the family and friends. My name is Dan Maffia. This man here is my best friend. The only real friend that I've ever had in music. I've known him from 1992. And we never had a bad day. And I just want to say, R.I.P. Merciless, because you're one of the realest human beings. I'm going to try and sing a song. I'm a little bit hoarse from the setup the other night, but you know the song, you sing along with me. I love y'all. Okay, bandsman, are you ready? God gives life, and He takes it away. He is a potter, and I am the clay. When I view the last sunset that draws on the sun, I know the sunrise will be waiting for me.
Merciless. Merciless, our real friend. And me and Merciless dead my ball for dear. R.I.P. my brother, walk good. America, bless up yourself. Thank you for bringing such a brilliant human being. Yo, people, me love you.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.